なにこんにちはしてごらん。手振ってごらん。手振ってごらんとは。Hi, this is Kanaso and Towa. 手振ってごらんって。We're outside today. We're gonna be making art outside. So we're on a nature walk, picking up leaves and that's tissue. Leaves and rocks. Since Towa loves picking up stuff from the ground. So, so we're just gonna be picking up stuff and we're gonna be start making art. と行くよ。じゃあどれにする？So it rained last night, so it's kind of wet everywhere and everything's wet, but I think it's gonna be fun. And last week Towa was so happy. He loves going out. Towa oide? Towa oide? Towa loves the airplanes. Okay, Towa oide. So we found a bench. We're gonna use the sketchbook that we made that I didn't get to use last week. And we're gonna be using crayons. Towa oide. Okay. じゃあ行こう。OK。これつける？行こう。じゃあ歩こう。はっ！と石あるけど。So today we're gonna be doing transfer, so paper on like things like rocks or leaves or pavement, and transfer the texture onto the paper. So let's see if I can put this phone here. Maybe I'll just hold it. Okay, so so this is the rock that we found. It's kind of cool. And this is the sketchbook that we made. I made for Towa 2 weeks ago. This is the crayon that we're going to be using. ちょっと選んで1個。どうする？どれがいい？ OK。じゃあ maybe we'll use yellow Towa? Oh, so Towa drew lots of things already with pen, but let me see. Maybe we'll use it on the paint paper. Hi, Towa. やってごらん。いくよ。せーの。あ、できるかな、Towa。はい、もう一回言って。Ooh, 待って。This texture とは好き？ So, look at that, Towa. パンもやってごらん。And transferring the texture of the rock. 次どれにするとは。車が通ってるね。おいで。Should we do leaves? Maybe? Okay. これにするとは。This is a little crunchy, so we'll see. We might break this. Oh, I did that one. But it might leave, you know, this part might leave a nice line and the texture. Oh, oh, I did. So it's picking up the rock. Oh, I did. What's your thing on? Oh, 見て。線が出てきてるよ。見えるとは。タがやってごらん。見て。好きな人。この葉っぱ大きいね。見てごらん。見てたわ。ここかっこいいよ。This part is so cool. This edge. やってみる？こう。見て。そうそうそう、やってごらん。できるとは。上手だね。見てほら。飛行機だね。飛行機飛んでるね。じゃあ次。見て手が見える？好きなクレヨン紫にすると。何がいいかな。Towa, so I picked a yellow one. じゃあ次は。あ、椅子じゃる？ We're gonna transfer the bench. Let's see. こっちやってみてごらん。こっち。Oh, here, I'll show you guys. The leaves, the transferred leaf stems, and that's the texture of the rocks. で次キヨト。And the next we're gonna transfer the bench. やってみて。 くよいくよ。Dada. We'll start saying Dada. Meaning daddy. ねえとはね。どうこれとは。好きですか？好きな人。タムやってごらん。タム色塗ってごらんかった。チュチュチュチュチュチュ。うんうん。The bench そう楽しい？楽しい人もうちょっとやってみてかな。石の方が好き？石の方が好きかな。じゃあ地面やってみる？地面やってみる？ This turned out cool. Maybe we'll try the pavement. ちょっとじゃあ下に置いて。いくよ。Okay. So there's two different textures. Oh, 大丈夫かな。One is a brick pavement, and this is the asphalt. Like, oh, I guess I don't know, rainy kind. じゃあ、いくよ。はいはい。どうやってみる？そうやってみて、もう一回。どのクレヨンにする？同じのにする？いくよ。見えるかな？わー、見て。So, we're using crayons because crayons transfer the texture really well. Since it's soft and when it hits the hard surface, the crayon itself get taken and it leaves like nice dark texture. I mean, color pencils are good. Pencils work great when you're doing details. But we just brought crayons today because it's easier for Towa. ちょっとおいで。こっち来てごらん。見てぞ。ほら見て。タムやってごらん。This is the asphalt. タワレンガやってみる？さあ次レンガしてみる人。見て。This part will be so cool. さあおいで。Oh, it's so windy. 見て。この三角のところ。この三角のところやってみる？はい、来てごらん。どうできるかな？どうできるかな？やる人。中に入るの。He's climbed under the bench. 見てとは出てくる？あなたはどこ行くんですか？こっちおいで、こっち。助けてください、マミのこと。じゃあ来てごらん。手伝う？はい。みて。持てるかな？ this is how it turned out. そうはね、なんか鼻水出てるね。おお、なんか見つけた？見てこれ、かっこいい。He has runny nose. So this is something you can do in the nature or when you're walking outside with your kids. And I think we're gonna be walking for a little bit and maybe find more stuff to like transfer. But Towa is just out running. あ、おいで。あっち行こう。あっち行く人。来てごらん。Towa。あっち行く人。見て、あっち行く。Okay. じゃあバイバイしてごらん。バイバイ。バイバイして。So we're gonna go, but thanks for watching and hope you guys have fun too. Yeah. ね、そうね。Have a good day. バイバイしてバイバイ。